Hi there! Today let's explore how to make the most of your coins on AliExpress. To start, earn coins on AliExpress by making purchases, leaving reviews, or participating in promotions. Once you've collected a stash of coins, head over to the coins and coupons section in your account, and there you will find the option to exchange your coins for coupons. Choose the coupon value that suits your preference, and now when you're ready to treat yourself to some fantastic finds on AliExpress, add items to your cart, and as you glide through the checkout process, keep an eye out for the option to use your freshly acquired coupon. Just select the coupon and watch the total price do a little happy dance as your discount works its magic. Remember, each coupon might have its own set of rules, like a minimum purchase amount or specific product categories. So before you embark on your shopping spree, give those coupon details a quick peek to make sure you're all set. And there you have it, the ins and outs of using coins and coupons on AliExpress. Now, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and remember to hit the bell to stay in the loop. Until next time, enjoy those sweet discounts and happy saving!